Good afternoon. Manano. Myself, Bharat Nagri, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany. The today's topic is concept of environment and concept and scope of ecology. Let us see number one. What is meant by environment? Environment is a surrounding in which living and non-living being interact and interchange nutrient and energy. Here is a biosphere. Living image of biosphere means earth. These are living things, non-living things like air, temperature, moisture, water, and living is bird, animal, plant, etc. The natural world as a whole or particular geographical area, especially as affected by human activity. Next one is the surrounding or condition in which person, animal, or plant live or operate is called as environment. What are the type of environment? On the basis of structure, environment can be divided physical and living thing. Physical means abiotic and living means biotic environment. First of all is a physical environment. Physical or abiotic environment means physical environment is made up of following state: solid, liquid, or gas. These three elements signify the lithosphere means solid, hydrosphere means liquid, and gas means atmosphere, respectively. On the basis of spatial distribution of smaller unit, environment also classify into coastal environment, plateau environment, mountain environment, lake environment, marine environment, etc. Next one is a living or biotic environment. Living means living things like plant, animal, bacteria. Biotic environment consists of plant means flora and animal means fauna, including human being. Thus, biotic environment can be of two types such as floral or faunal environment. Next one is a social environment means this type of environment include varied aspect of socio-cultural interaction means various caste, religions in the country or world. The interaction between all cultural or societies or social interaction, socio-cultural interaction, along with outcomes such as beliefs, attitude, or stereotype, etc. The tangible and intangible aspect of environment are also included in social or cultural environments. Tangible means is a natural, or intangible means is a artificially cultural environment. Next one is a psychological environment. Means psychological environment deals with the perception and experiences related to the environmental setting. Like some environment may be stimulative or positive or exciting environment, and some are the dull or boring environment. Like psychological environment also more often used in organizational context. There are many type of environment, but two basic are biotic and abiotic environment, physical and living environment. Next one is a psychological environment, and also here is a social and cultural environment. What are the components of the environment? The environment mainly consists of atmosphere, the surrounding things of the earth, hydrosphere means water, lithosphere means solid material on the earth, and like soil, and biosphere means whole earth is a biosphere. There are micro and macro environment. Micro environment means immediate local surrounding of an organism. Organism like plant, bacteria, or animal. Such thing. And macro environment means all type of physical and biotic environment. Physical means air, temperature, water, humidity, or non-living things. And biotic means all living things surrounded the organism external. Physical environment refer to the abiotic factor or condition like temperature or light. This previously seen. Rainfall, mineral, etc. The biotic environment include biotic factor like living from plant, animal, or microorganism. Here the image clearly see what are the component of the environment. Environment are physical component, biological component, and cultural. Physical means atmosphere, like here is above is atmosphere, hydrosphere like water, lithosphere is like soil, and biological component are abiotic and biotic. Biotic means living and abiotic means non-living things. Biotic means producer, consumer, and decomposer. Producer are the autotroph. Plant are the autotroph. It is a producer. Then primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary or top consumer, and second one is the retriever is a producer. The biotic component, and last one is the cultural means society, economy, and politics are the cultural component of the environment. The slide clearly see what are the components of the environment: physical, biological, and cultural. Next one is ecology. What is meant by ecology? It is the study of animal or plant in their relation to each other and their environment. Means study of plant and animal and their relation to each other. Interaction between plant and animal or other living things. Ecology is a Greek word that means study of habitation of living organism. It is derived from the Latin word like "icos" means habitation and "logos" means discourse or study of the habit. The word ecology has been defined variously by different authors, like scientific study, natural history. One says scientific natural history. Second say the science of community of population, and the next one is the study of biotic community. The different authors are the defined different, like ecology. The different definition of ecology. Ecology is a branch of biology concerning interaction among organisms and their biophysical environment, which include both biotic and abiotic component. Biotic means living and abiotic means non-living component. It was ecology first proposed in the year 1869 by Ernst Haeckel. Ecology is study with the particular reference to a plant or animal, hence plant and animal ecology. Ecology is the study of organism and their environment and interact with each other and their environment. The study at various levels such as organism level, population level, community level, biosphere level, or ecosystem level. There are so many levels from species up to the biosphere of ecology. What are the factors? The two type of factor, biotic and abiotic factor. Biotic means living factor and abiotic factor means non-living factor. What are the biotic component? Biotic component are living factor of an ecosystem. A few examples of biotic component include bacteria, animal, bird, fungi, plant, etc. Here diagram clearly say what are the living or biotic component. Plant, animal, flower, caterpillar, frog, snake, pole, like bird, animal, yeah, all are the biotic factor. Here is a food chain from producer to top consumer. What are the abiotic components? Abiotic components are non-living chemical and physical factor of an ecosystem. This component will be acquired from the atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. Example of this: sunlight, soil, water, rain, wind, all are the soil, all are the abiotic component of the or abiotic factor of ecosystem or ecology. What are the type of ecology? First of all is microbial ecology. Microbial ecology looks at the smallest fundamental level of life, that is the cellular level. It involves mainly the first two life kingdom, which is Monera and Protista. We start from micro level like cell, inside cell, all cytoplasmic components are present. And study of this, therefore, is called as microbial ecology. Second one is the organism or behavioral ecology, means single species or organism means plant, animal or fungi, except this is the study of an organism. It's the fundamental level. In this type of ecology, the main goal is to understand the organism behavior and adaptation for such behavior and reason for the such behavior of the organism. Next one is a population ecology. Population ecology mainly focus on the population. It defined as the group of organisms of the same species living in the same area at the same time, called as population. The study of such population, size, density, structure, etc. all are the characteristic of the population. Migration pattern, interaction between all organisms in the population. Migration pattern means immigration, emigration, outer movement, inward movement of the organism like plant, animal, bacteria, or all living things, birds, etc. Community ecology. What are mean by community? It is population that live in a given area. It includes all different species, same place, same area, called as community. This focus here usually on the interaction between different species and how their number, size are increase or decrease, all mixed together, and how changes one population affect the whole community. This study is called as community ecology. Next one is ecosystem ecology. Ecosystem means it is a unique contribution to understand ecology by adding abiotic means non-living factor to the item analyzed alongside with the biotic means living factor in one. This interaction therefore involve all aspects of environment and how they interact. Next one is a better understand the whole aspect of interaction between living things and non-living things or habitat means space occupied by the organism. And last one is a global ecology. Global ecology study of the biosphere. Biosphere means our Earth, called as biosphere, one of the largest ecosystem in the world. These include all of the different biomes with consideration of aspects such as climate and environmental geography. It means global ecology take into account the whole world of biosphere while considering all living organisms from microscopic to the higher life from on the earth. The environment they live in, the interaction that they have with each other, the influence that their environment have on the have on this interaction and vice versa of the interaction between all living non-living things of the earth from lower means micro level to the higher level from plant animal and vice versa. And two basic type is articology and synecology. What is mean by articology? It is study of individual organism or individual species means articology. It is also known as population ecology means the population level ecology. Articology help us to understand the relation between individual of plant and their environment. Individual plant, animal, bacteria, or individual species and their environment is called as articology. And synecology is opposite to the articology. It's a study of group of organisms, not single organism, at different species, which are associated together as a unit in form as community. This is also called as community ecology, and articology is a individual, or also called as population ecology. Gene ecology helps us to understand the relationship between community and environment. What are the scope of ecology? There are so many scope of ecology according to the need. The study of population growth, competition between species, symbiotic relationships, tropics level, origin of biological diversity, interaction with the physical environment. Population growth means there are two types of population growth: exponential growth or logistic. And competition between species means commensalism, mutualism, absomatism. There are so many relation with also symbiotic relationship. There are all interaction between species. Competition means one species compete to other for the survival. Then is trophic relationship means what are the trophic feeding position of the organism. First is the producer, consumer, and decomposer or top consumer means decomposer are all level, but producer are first level. Next one is a consumer. Consumer means which eat producer. Consumer are three type: primary, secondary, and tertiary means top consumer. And last one is the decomposer, which decompose all the three tropics level, not a fixed position. What are the origin of biological diversity? Also studied by this ecology. And interaction with the physical environment means physical environment like water, temperature, air, humidity, etc. It helps to tackle the environmental problems like pollutions, flood, variation in seasonal patterns, global problems like greenhouse gases, ozone depletions, acid rains, deforestation, all are studied by the ecology. Necessary in the maintaining ecological balance and understanding different biochemical cycle like carbon dioxide cycle, oxygen cycle, water cycle, ammonia cycle, etc. It helps to protecting flora and fauna. Flora means plant and fauna means animal. By study of ecology, we can maintain balance in nature and can prevent many ecological disasters. Also, next, important role in human benefit like agriculture, pest control, management of grassland, forestries, and conservation of wildlife. Thank you.